Opening statements are bringing new developments in the double murder trial against disbarred South Carolina lawyer Alex Murdaugh.
Yeah, he's pleaded not guilty to charges that he killed his wife and youngest son. Court TV legal correspondent Chanley Painter is in Clayton County with the latest.
Coming up, we are expecting the state's case to call those first responders who were called to that double murder scene June 7th, 2021, when 22-year-old Paul Murdaugh and 52-year-old Maggie Murdaugh were shot to death. In opening statements Wednesday, both the prosecution and defense delivered battling theories on who was responsible for their murders. State Attorney Creighton Waters spent around 30 minutes detailing the prosecution's theory of the case, that a perfect storm was brewing in Murdaugh's life to lead him to murder his wife and son. The prosecution walked the jury through a moment-by-moment timeline of the family's movements the night of the killings, highlighting Murdaugh's statements to police, the ballistic evidence, and how Murdaugh's phone places him at the crime scene at the time of the murders.
At 8:44 and 55 seconds, Paul recorded a video. And on that video, and you'll see that video, and you'll hear from witnesses that identify Paul's voice, Maggie's voice, and Alex's voice. The evidence will show that he was there. He was at the murder scene with the two victims.
During defense attorney Dick Harpootlian's opening statement, he asked his client to stand up as he introduced Alex Murdaugh to the jurors, stressing Murdaugh's innocence until proven guilty.
Alex, stand up. This is Alex Murdaugh. And Alex was the loving father of Paul and the loving husband of Maggie.
Harpootlian told the jury that no forensics tie his client to the crimes, and he graphically detailed the injuries Maggie Murdaugh and her son Paul sustained.
The second shot ended up, and there's going to be some question about the direction of that shot, but ended up entering his skull cavity, and the gases from that shot literally exploded his head like a watermelon hit with a sledgehammer. All that was left was the front of his face.
Alex Murdaugh became emotional at one point as attorneys recounted the brutality of the murders. Sitting behind him in the gallery was his surviving son, Buster, his brother, sister, and other family members who also seemed emotional at times, giving the accused double murderer smiles of encouragement and thumbs up. But today is the start of the prosecution's case in chief, the first day of testimony, and the jury of 4 men, 8 women are expected to hear that 911 call Alex placed after the murders, and possibly even see some body-worn camera of first responders at the scene. Reporting here in Colleton County, South Carolina, Chanley Painter, Court TV.